I'm going to be doing a mini Zentangle or a mini Zen of a turtle. So first I'm going to grab a pencil and I'm going to sketch in the general shape of a turtle. So its head around here, it's up with its shell. So now I'm going to use my Sharpie pen and outline the shape. And now I can start adding those patterns and details to the Zentangle. So maybe I might start here and do a little semicircle kind of wave pattern. And on this side, I want to try using a triangle approach. So I'm drawing these little triangles like this. And for this side, I want to use some cross-hatching lines. Over here, I want to create some interesting wave shapes, wavy lines that connect up. And add some wavy lines inside of the shapes like this. And adding some little spots again inside some of these ones like this. And for the shell itself, I want to make it quite symmetrical. So I'm going to go and do some lines across like this. And inside it, I'm going to start adding little patterns. So I'm going to use a little swirly technique like this. Little swirlies. And here I want to use some angled lines like this that meet up. And color in one of these lines. And just above, I want to draw a line down here, like this. So these connecting lines. And these bumps, I'm going to draw a second bump, like that. And for the head, I want to draw a outside going circle spiral, like that. And that's my mini Zen of a turtle.